Shall we show the world how you guys will allow me to touch you? Not you, Ivan, but Henry. Henry, do you want to come out and see Mommy? Henry, do you want to come out and see Mommy? Where are you? Where are you, Henry? Hi. Hello, my little fox. My little gray fox. You're my little gray fox. Hi, Ivan. What a handsome boy. Do you want to come out? You want to come out and see Mommy? Yeah? Come on, kitties. Kitty, 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 kitties. Come on, kitties. There's my little gray fox. Where's my bobcat? Where's my bobcat? Where's my bobcat? Are you hiding? Are you hiding, brother? Are you hiding, brother bobcat? What are you doing, buddy? You're a good boy. That a good boy. Well, hi there. Hello, little bobcat. Hi, Henry. Oh, I'm gonna lay on his face. What a good brother. What a good brother. Come on, let's show let's show Auntie Maria how we can get Henry out. Come on, Ivan. It's okay. Come on. Good boy, Ivan. Good boy. There goes Henry. Oh, he's gotta go. And he's gonna run up here. And up here. Good boy. Come on out. It's okay. And he's gonna go up here. I know. Just don't pick me up and we'll be fine. Oh, it's okay, honey. That's a good boy. Yes, you are, my sweet little bobcat. Yeah, just as long as I don't pick you up. Because your heart just pounds and pounds. Yeah. Aw, Mama loves you. Yeah. What a good boy. Where's that tail I love? Let me see that tail. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Such a nice tail. Yeah. What you doing, Ivan? What you doing? Mama's taking pictures, huh? You okay with that? You okay with that? Hi, Ivan. Come on up and see us. Yeah. What a good boy. Here comes. Here comes. Come on, Ivan. Good boy. Good boy. Here he is. My little gray fox. Oh, my little bobcat. Yeah. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Yeah, good boy, Henry. Yeah. Can Mama rub a belly? I got that belly. I got that belly. Yeah. I'll rub that belly. I'll rub that belly. Yeah. I got your butt. Yeah. He's a good boy. He's my good, brave boy. Yeah. So, Henry, what do you think? Do you want to go to Petco? What do you think, my little gray fox? Ivan, do you want to go to Petco? Do you want to go to Petco? No? What a good boy. You're so good. You're so good. You're a sweet baby. You're a sweet sweet baby. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna rest. It's hard work being a kitten. Yeah, it's hard work. Gotta worry, huh? Miss your mama. Yeah. Got such a big head, such a little body. You know, skin and bones. You need to eat more. What do you think, Henry? That a good boy. That a good boy. Can I go up today? What do you think? No picking up today? How about we try? Yeah. Can we try? What do you think, huh? There's squirrels out there. Yeah.